We're just going to go through a step-by-step guide on how you can register as a vendor seller on TPD. So first things first, to set up a seller account is we're just going to click on the sign up icon on the top right hand side of the homepage and pop in your details. I'm going to pop in my details. Make sure that you're using your personal email or your business email address. And then we're going to click on I am a vendor. And again, pop in your details, first name, surname, shop name. So, seller. Now this is going to auto-populate what your link is for your store. Okay, make sure you read the terms and conditions. Here you can choose which membership to start off on. Feel free to sign up for the free Ruby membership, and you can always switch back and forth from your account afterwards. Okay. This is now going to take us to the checkout page, so just pop all your details in here. Just pop your business name or your store name in here. Nice. And again, terms and conditions. If you are getting a paid membership, this is where you'll pop in your credit card details and then place order, and you're all registered.